Right here is a free $100 capital that you can use to trade, and I'm going to show you how you too can get yours. Actually, I'm going to be showing you two different $100 free capitals that you can use to trade and withdraw from. So this is how the second one would look like once you have also gotten it. And I'm going to show you the steps to each of them, and I'm also going to section it so that you can get it one by one. Okay, so here is the withdrawal proof from the very first one, and here is the withdrawal proof from the second one. And there are many other withdrawal proof we have gotten over time that will let you know that you can withdraw from it. Okay, so you just simply have to trade it, meet the terms and conditions, and withdraw. Alright, the very first one won't need any KYC at all to get it. That is, you don't need to upload your document to get it. So everybody can get it. But the second one, you have to verify. You have to upload your details, upload your selfie before you can get it. Yeah, so the link to claiming these bonuses will be in the description below. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share with your friends, and turn on the notification bell to receive more updates on Forex. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to download the app. Okay, so we're going to click on install. The name of the app is Trendo. So we're installing it. As you can see, yes, so we'll click on open. Okay, so this is what the app looks like. This is what it looks like, as you can see it. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to log in. So we're going to click on login. Then we'll be registering. If you know that you don't have an account to register, but if you already have an account, you just log in. So we're going to register. Then we'll be inputting our information, our first name, last name, email, password. Then after doing that, you agree to the terms, then you click on register. So let's do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm logged in already. Yeah, I've registered. So let's click on this $100 bonus right here. Yeah, so congratulations, you have received a bonus for trading. As you can see, it's $10. So we're going to click on continue. So let's just help them to do this. Then we'll click on submit. Okay, so we're going to click on this 3 icon right here. Yes, so as you can see, we have our $100 bonus right here, and we also have the demo account, which is the $10,000 demo account. So you can pick any one that you want to use, but we'll be making use of the $100. Yes, this is it. Yes, this is the $10,000. Then we also have the $100, the bonus accounts. This is it right here. So you can use anyone to trade. Yes, we're making use of the $100. So this is the charts right here. This is the charts. So you can trade using any pairs. Yes, so let's talk about the terms and conditions. You can only trade on the site. Yes, we're not making use of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. We are going to only trade on the site. Yes, and for you to be able to withdraw, you have to verify. Yes, verification is important. And in this bonus account, if users can achieve at least 200% profits each week, they can withdraw their $100 bonus after 1 month. So this means that if they achieve 200% profit each week for 4 weeks, they can withdraw this amount. Yes, so there are no volumes or time restriction on trades. Yes, and the leverage bonus account is 200. Yes, so these are the terms and conditions. So if you know you got this bonus, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to download the app. So we're going to press this install right here. So it's downloading. Okay, so we're going to be imputing our email. Okay, so after doing that, we're going to be registering. So we're going to impute our full name, our country, then our mobile number. And after that, we're going to agree to the terms and conditions. Then we'll press continue. So let's do that right now. Okay, so a code has been sent to my Gmail. So we're going to be imputing the code right here. So after that, we're going to set up an access code. Okay, so after setting your code, then this is what you're going to see. The trading platform, MT4, then the account type, MT4 Direct FS. So we're going to click on continue. Yes, so you'll be giving your login details. This is what we'll be needing to log in. Okay, so we're going to go back. Then we'll click on this 3 icon right here. Your login details will also be sent to your email, so you can get it from there. So we're going to click on bonuses. Then we'll click on no deposit bonus. Okay, so verification is needed. So we're going to click on start the procedure. Yes, so we're going to verify our identity. As you can see, not verified. So we're going to click on verify your identity. Yes, so you can use any of these documents to verify your identity. You can use your passport, your national ID card, or your driving license. But I'm going to be making use of my national ID card, so I'll click on it. Then you're going to scan it. As you can see it right here. Okay, I've done that already. So as you can see, I'm waiting for my verification. I am now verified. As you can see it right here. You can see this green tick right here. So it shows that I am now verified. Yes, so they will send an email to you to show that you're verified. Yes, this is it right here. So I got verified within an hour. So the next thing for us to do is to click on bonuses. Then we're going to click on no deposit bonus. Yes, then we're going to choose our account. This is it right here. Then I accept the terms of the no deposit bonus. Then we're going to click on continue. Yes, so congratulations, no deposit bonus has been successfully credited to my account, as you can see it. And if you like this application, please leave a review and get additional bonus, $1 bonus. Yes, so let's leave a review so that I can get the $1 bonus. Okay, so this is it right here. So they're asking us to describe our experience. So let's write, I like the app interface. Yeah, I really do like the app interface because it's very simple and straightforward. Yes, so we've done that. So click on post. Yes, done. So I just pray I get the $1. So let's go back. Okay, so I got the $100 no deposit bonus. As you can see it right here. It is active. Yes, and for you to withdraw, you have to trade at least 30 lot size. So this is it right here. So let's go and log in into MT4. Okay, so I'm going to be getting my login details from my email. So let's go to my email. Yes, so this is it right here. So I'm going to be copying my login details. I'll be copying my password and my login ID. So let's go and log into MT4 right now. Yes, this is it right here. I'll click on this three icon, then click on manage account. Yes, so we're going to, okay, so we'll click on login to existing account. Then we'll copy the name of the broker, Rail. Then I'll click on it. Then we're going to be imputing our login and our password. So let's do that right now. Impute it here. Then let's copy our password. Then we'll click on sign in. Yes, so as you can see, I've gotten the $100 no deposit bonus. It is right here. Yes, it is right here. I've gotten it already and I can trade with it. It's real and it's not a demo account. So you all can also get it. Just follow the steps right here. You'll get yours. So let's talk about the terms and conditions. Okay, so regarding their terms and conditions, I messaged their support to get the terms and conditions to claiming this bonus, as you can see it right here. Yes, so to claim this bonus, you claim it by opening an MT4, Direct FX or MT4 Classic account, not MT5 account. Yes, so MT5 accounts do not qualify for this no deposit bonus. Then the second one is verification. You must install the XChief app and complete the verification process within the app. Yes, then the bonus application. So these are the terms and conditions that you will be needing to claim this bonus. As you can see it right here, you have to verify. Then in the app, the bonus application in the app, navigate to bonuses section, select the no deposit bonus option and choose your MT4 standard account to receive the bonus, as we did in the video. Yes, so country restrictions, you click on this link to get the country restrictions and so on and so forth. So just go through it. This is it right here. Go through it. So if you know you got the bonus, just let me know in the comment section. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.